Happy birthday, sir. As I was reflecting on what to say about you, I found myself wondering, what could I possibly say that have not been said before? I concluded that whatever I'm going to share must be true, transparent, and sincere, straight from my heart. So here we go down. I believe true greatness is not measured by the number of accolades or personal achievement one accumulates, but the number of lives they inspire and elevate. That is exactly who you are. You're not just a great man, you made men and women great. Your impact goes beyond words. Through your vision and leadership, you have brought men into limelight, opening doors that others might have kept shut. You know what? Where some hold power without empathy, you stand apart. A leader who not only celebrates the success of your sons and your daughters, but also walk with them in their journey. You have demonstrated that leadership is not about standing above others, but lifting them to greater height. For that, we are forever grateful. As I reflect on your heart, the heart you carry, the scripture comes to mind is Hebrews chapter 4, 15 and 16. For we do not have a high priest who is not unable to empathize with our weaknesses, but we have one who has been tempted in every way, just as we are, yet did not sin. Let us therefore approach God's throne of grace with confidence, so that we might receive mercy and find grace to help in our times of need. This perfectly capture who you are. A leader with power yet full of empathy, a man of great stature yet humble enough to walk alongside those you lead. You have shown us that leadership is not just about position, but about compassion. Thank you, sir, for all you have done and continue to do for us. Your influence will echo for generations. We are blessed to be part of your journey. Happy birthday, my father. Many years ahead, filled with even greater grace and impact for myself, my family, and the entire Omega Pharmacy America Pastorate and congregation. We said happy birthday and we love you. Thank you, sir.